Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. First, we take a look at the headlines. Babush Monserrat detained by Mumbai Airport authorities. Detention by Customs and Central Excise for carrying huge amounts of foreign currency beyond permissible limit. BJP on the hot trail of Babush Monserrat demands sacking of Education Minister before Tuesday. Congress NCP take guarded stand. Congress says High Command is appraised of the situation. NCP calls the incident unfortunate. Goans go all out to make the ICC Cricket World Cup final a special occasion. Fans hope and pray for India's triumph. And Dempo Goodwill Ambassadorship gives Talasha Prabhu the golden edge, 52 medals since 2009. Talasha now looking at international training. Now the news in detail. Customs officials in Mumbai detained Education Minister Babush Monserrat for carrying foreign currency above permissible limits. Babush was held at Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Airport at Mumbai while trying to board a plane to Dubai. Sources say foreign currency worth 1,80,00,000 rupees was recovered. Babush was later released by impounding his passport. Customs have asked Babush to appear before the commissioner on Tuesday.
Saturday began with the news of Babush Monserrat's detention. Heavy police vigilance and scrutiny was maintained at Mumbai on the backdrop of World Cup final. People visiting foreign countries and visitors from abroad were under strict vigilance. Babush was supposed to fly to Dubai via Air Emirates flight in the wee hours of Saturday. Babush and his associate were caught with cash while crossing the security check at the airport. As per our sources in Mumbai, Babush was caught red-handed with foreign currency worth 1 crore and cash of 25 lakh rupees. Inquiry by Customs Department was on from the morning. Babush was detained by the Air Intelligence Wing. Later, he was handed over to the Mumbai police. He was not arrested till late Saturday evening. Most important aspect of the case is if the confiscated amount is limited, then Babush might get bail. But if it is the other way around, then things can get more complicated for the Education Minister. As per the law, one can carry up to $5,000 with him while going abroad. Passengers can carry only $2,000 cash out of this $5,000. Remaining $3,000 can be carried in the form of checks. If a person wants to carry more than $5,000, then he has to obtain necessary permissions from the Reserve Bank of India. Sources also revealed that Babush also had some dinars and costly items along with him. Sources also claim that Air Intelligence Wing had kept an eye on Babush Monserrat. This is the reason why Babush was thoroughly checked at the airport. Now the big question mark looms on Babush Monserrat's political career. Will Babush sustain his portfolio after this episode, or will he have to leave his cabin? Everything depends on Custom Department's inquiry process and sources of the money. Our senior reporter from Panji, Rakesh Kandolkar.
Babush Monserrat's detention has taken Goan politics to a boiling point. BJP has strongly demanded removal of Education Minister from the cabinet. BJP has alleged that efforts are on to weaken the case. On the other hand, Congress and the NCP have taken a guarded stand.
It attracts, according to me, disproportionate asset and anti-corruption act, both also along with this. In view of this, Bharatiya Janata Party demands that the minister should be sacked immediately.
Opposition leader Manohar Parrikar brought to the notice that any legislator visiting abroad during assembly session has to obtain permission from the chief minister. The same has to be intimated to the governor and the speaker.
And he has violated not only FEMA, but he has violated the smuggling. It's indirectly smuggling. While boarding the plane, he has been detained.
BJP has demanded a clarification whether Babush Monserrat was permitted to go abroad by the Chief Minister. BJP also demanded an inquiry on the constant visits to Dubai by many ministers. Parrikar questioned on the massive amount of cash Babush was travelling with.
ड्रगाकडे केन्नाय धांवता तसो असेंब्ली चालू आसतना ताका दुबय धांवपाची हे आयली हुक्की आयली म्हणजे दुबय हाजें फायनान्शियल ट्रान्जॅक्शन मोठ्या प्रमाणाचेर आसा काय कितें हाजो डावट घेवपाक हो म्हाका हाज्या पयलीं अनेकदां केला आसतलो शेवटी आयज सापडला आनी म्हणून ही मागणी आमी गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन करता मंगळारचें सेशन सुरू जावच्या पयलीं मिनिस्टराची राजीनामो नाल्यार ताका डिसमिसल हें सरकारान घेवचें.
Parrikar doubts that the massive cash which is recovered from Babush Monserrat might be the investments made during Regional Plan 2011. On the other hand, Congress and NCP have taken a guarded stand on the issue.
तो बाबूशाचे असो इशू कितें
आयलां तुका कितें आयलां म्हाका कांय येवना आयल्यार सांगता.
आता 10 वरांची चंदनाकडल्यानच कळ्ळें आमकां हें चंदनाचेर पळयलें की अशें अशें जाल्लें आसा म्हणून पूण जालां अशें की ताची मुखारी फर्दर इन्फॉर्मेशन कांय मेळुना अजून.
हायकमांडाक ह्या बाबतींत खबर आसा?
हायकमांड दिल्ली की तांकां खबर आसा.
बाबूश जर ह्या प्रकरणात दोशी सापडलो जाल्यार पार्टी कडल्यान कितें कारवाय जावंक शकता?
पयलीं ताजेर ताजो फॅक्ट एक्चुअल फॅक्ट कोण इन्फॉर्मेशन मेळून कितें जाता म्हणटा तें काय नंतर हायकमांडा कडेन उलोवन पळोवचें पडटलें.
Our senior reporter Rakesh Kanolkar, reporter Laukik Shilkar and Shyam Sundar Fatte with video journalist Omkar Falhari.
The third week of budget session in the State Assembly witnessed assorted moments filled with smiles, charges and creativity. There were many lighter moments, but the most outstanding could be the Kavita as presented by none other than our Stedrock Sports Minister Babu Asgaonkar, who says politicians cannot joke and rhyme. Our weekend special on the Assembly session.
तो ना म्हणून सांग हांव तुका फाल्यां नोटीस दिना नांवाचो न्हय.
मिकीच्या फ्रेंडान ताका इंग्लिशीन विचारलें फाटल्या पॅसेंजराक आर यू डावनींग हियर काय म्हणून.
म्हज्या प्रश्नाचें एकूय उत्तर दिवंक ना तुवें. तूं भलतेच उत्तर दिता.
हांव तूं बसला तेन्ना हांव बसून आशिल्लो. हांव उठलो तुमी बसून हांव जाल्यार उठूंक जायना परमिशन स्पिकराची. आयनॉक्स डिवायस बी पळयतालो ताका ती एलर्जी आसा तेजी. अरे एक्सायट जावं नाका रे. हांव उठलो
एक्सायट कित्याक जातले आमी.
अरे जेन्ना माननीय आमदार जेन्ना तूं उलयलो मागीर हांव उठ्ठा तेन्ना हांव बसलो तेन्ना मागीर तुवें उठप. हांव नका सभापती परमिशन घेवन
हांव आसलो तर हांव डिस्टर्ब करना तुका.
सभापती परमिशन घेवन उबो रावता.
सांग
हांव एक ल्हानशी कविता तुमच्या मुखार दवरपाक सोदता. आनी स्पीकर सर म्हाजो रिक्वेस्ट आसा स्पीकर सर आमचे मनोहर बाब समज ऑपोजिशन लिडर थंय भायर आसा जाल्यार भितर येवचे तेंच्यांनी. स्पीकर सर म्हज्या कविताचें नांव आसा मनोहरी संवाद. नव्याने आज भेटू विसरूया वाद आता. जुन्या त्या भांडणाची कशाला याद आता. दुरावा सहवेना अबोला सोसवेना. चल करूया मनोहरा नवा संवाद आता. तू वाखुल्या दाखवू नकोस मी फणा काढणार नाही. त्यात विच्छिन्न मन होई साऱ्याच जखमा. राखूया मान सारे उंचवूया आमचे सामर्थ्य. बांधूया शब्दाचे अलंकार शब्दाचे महाल आता.
तुमकां सगळ्यांक गुडी पडवेचे शुभेच्छा.
Bureau Report Prudent Media.
It's time now for a short break. Stay tuned.